Okay, let's unpack this. If you've ever worked in professional live sound, you know that feeling.
Oh, yeah.
That moment you need to run high quality audio, hundreds of meters, and suddenly your signal integrity just falls apart.
The dreaded hum.
Exactly. So today we're doing a deep dive into the solution, getting rid of those distance limits by switching from traditional copper to, well, fiber optics.
And the specific hardware we're looking at here is the Thor Broadcast F-32A-XLR-TxRx kit.
Mm.
What's so interesting is that this isn't just like an adapter. It's a full high-density transmitter and receiver unit. That's the TxRx.
And that channel count. I mean, that's what immediately grabs you. We're not talking about 2 channels here.
Not at all.
It's using the standard 3-pin balanced XLRs that everyone knows and loves, but the top-tier model can handle a massive 32 inputs and 32 outputs.
All on a single strand of fiber.
A single strand. That kind of density it changes how you wire a venue overnight.
It absolutely does. And the immediate aha moment for most people is just understanding why fiber is so critical here. The source material is, crystal clear on this.
Right.
Unlike copper, which just degrades so quickly, the optical fiber lets the signal travel these huge distances with basically no loss in quality.
And that signal integrity is everything when we talk about broadcast quality. But let's get specific. What are the numbers that make this thing truly professional grade?
Okay, so the distance capabilities are frankly kind of mind-blowing. With standard single-mode fiber, you're looking at up to 20 kilometers.
20 kilometers, so you could link 2 venues in different parts of a city.
Easily. And there are even extended modes that can push that to 120 kilometers.
Hmm.
Even the sort of shorter-range multi-mode fiber covers up to 3,000 feet, or about 2 kilometers.
So is that different? Single mode versus multi-mode. That's key for you to visualize, right? Single mode is city to city. Multi-mode is for wiring up a huge stadium internally.
That's a perfect way to put it. And then you have the quality metrics. This is 16-bit, digitally encoded, balanced audio sampled from 48 kilohertz. That's the rock-solid broadcast standard.
Okay.
And, crucially, the signal-to-noise ratio, the SNR, is greater than 80 dB.
So why is that high SNR so important, especially in, say, a live stadium environment?
Because over long distances, copper cables basically become giant antennas. They pick up every hum, every buzz from power lines, lighting rigs, everything.
Right, all that electrical interference.
Exactly. An 80 dB SNR is like an insurance policy. It means the audio is protected, that the signal arriving 20 kilometers away is fundamentally clean.
So pristine audio across miles. And the sources also point out that for all this tech, the units are easy to use, plug and play. That's a huge plus for any staging crew.
Oh, for sure. Rag mount or standalone, super flexible.
Okay, so let's pivot a little to the so what of all this. I mean, we have these incredible specs, but who really needs 32 channels going 20 kilometers?
Well, this is where that reliability and distance become, non-negotiable. Think large-scale rental and staging, massive concerts, stadiums, big broadcast studios.
A theme park, maybe?
A theme park is a great example. Imagine a parade float with a live band on it. The audio is mixed right there, but it needs to get back to a central control room kilometers away, perfectly clean.
So anywhere the audio crew needs to be completely separated from the actual performance space.
Exactly, and often in some pretty harsh environments. The system itself is built for it. It operates from a chilly negative 20 degrees C all the way up to plus 75 degrees C.
Wow.
And the mean time between failures, the MTBF, is rated at over 100,000 hours.
Which is, what, 10 years of continuous use?
About that, yeah. It's mission-critical reliability. You can't stop a stadium show to fix a cable.
That makes sense. But does this jump to Fiber Force crews to learn a whole new set of skills? What's the trade-off?
That's a great question. But the system is actually designed to minimize that. It slots right into the gear everyone already has. It's fully compatible with standard XLR mixers, digital recorders, anything with an XLR in and out.
So you're just swapping the long copper snake for a fiber link.
That's it. And for some of the smaller 2- and 4-channel models, you can even get bidirectional operation over a single fiber, which reduces cable clutter even more.
So if we boil this all down for you, the listener, this kit gives you a kind of trifecta. You get massive channel capacity, true broadcast quality, and it completely solves the distance problem. You can link venues miles apart with zero signal degradation.
And that leads to a final thought for you to chew on. Since fiber lets you move so much high-quality data over these vast distances, the whole idea of a central control room becomes, well, fluid.
What do you mean?
Think about it. Complex audio routing no longer needs these massive, expensive copper conduits running all through a building or campus. It opens up all these new possibilities for decentralized production, completely changing the physical infrastructure for huge global events.